Setting up the chart of accounts and taxes. Welcome back to Katylinks, your trusted guide for Odoo training and implementation. I am Melissa, and in this lesson, we will configure the chart of accounts and tax settings in Odoo 19. The chart of accounts, also called COA, is the foundation of your accounting system. It defines how every transaction is recorded and reported across your books. Each account belongs to one of 5 main categories: assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. When we installed the accounting app, we selected the United States generic localization that automatically created a standard chart of accounts, including all the key accounts needed for financial reporting. But you can also build or modify your chart of accounts in 3 different ways. The first method is direct input. From the accounting dashboard, go to Configuration, then Chart of Accounts, and click New. You can manually create an account by entering its code name and selecting the correct type. This method is useful when you need to add a few specific accounts, such as a new expense or revenue account. The second method is importing a chart of accounts file. If you are migrating from another accounting system like QuickBooks or Xero, you can prepare your accounts in an Excel or CSV file. Make sure your columns match Odoo's format for code name and type. Then click the Import button, upload your file, and Odoo will automatically create all the accounts for you. The third method is exporting, editing, and re-importing. If your chart of accounts already exists in Odoo, but you want to make bulk changes, click Export, select the fields you want to modify, and download the file. Make your edits in Excel, and then import the updated version back into Odoo. This method is fast and accurate when you are restructuring account codes or renaming multiple accounts at once. No matter which method you use, always make sure that your account types are correct because they control how transactions appear in your reports. Once your chart of accounts is in place, it's time to configure your taxes. From the configuration menu, click Taxes. You'll see all your default sales and purchase tax rates loaded from your fiscal localization. For US companies, this may include general sales tax rates like 8 or 10%. You can add new tax rates by clicking New and filling in the tax name type and percentage. Make sure each tax is linked to the correct account under Tax Account Receivable or Payable, so Odoo can post entries automatically. Finally, review your fiscal positions. Fiscal positions allow Odoo to automatically adjust taxes or accounts based on a customer's location or tax exemption status. For example, if you sell to another state or export goods, Odoo can switch to a 0 tax rate automatically. Before finishing, review your default settings under Configuration, then Settings. Set your default sales tax and default purchase tax so Odoo applies them automatically to new invoices and bills. To recap, we explored what the chart of accounts is, how to create it in 3 different ways, and how to set up your taxes and fiscal positions. This ensures your financial reports are accurate and your system posts transactions automatically. In the next lesson, we will create customer invoices and record payments inside Odoo 19. If you would like help setting up or importing your chart of accounts, visit katylinks.com. We help businesses configure accounting structures, automation, and reporting for efficiency and accuracy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Katylinks YouTube channel for the complete Odoo 19 accounting training series.